Hello everyone, in this video I'm so excited to tell you about the new workflow templates with Gist. I'm just going to jump right in. First thing you want to do after you log into your Gist account is to go to the marketing tab, down to workflows and click. And then you'll want to create new workflow. It's either going to be here if you haven't created any workflows, or if you have, you probably know that it's up here in the right corner, but I'm going to go ahead and click create new workflow. And the first change you'll notice is all of these templates are there. The default is to show all of the templates that are available. You can simply scroll through and find the ones you want. You can search them up here by using keywords like referral or lead, things like that. Or over here, they are categorized by the different industries. We have 7 different industries. Most businesses will fall into these 7. There's agencies for marketing agencies and things like that. Business services for like IT professionals, maybe accountants and things of that nature. Consumer services, these are going to be things where consumers come to you at a brick and mortar business like barbershops, salons, things like that. And then e-commerce, obviously just online shops. Home services, these are going to be things like plumbers, electricians, and other services like that. Publisher, these are going to be your bloggers, authors, public speakers, and other things of that nature. And then of course SaaS, which is software. So you can choose any one of these and it'll show you all the relevant templates for each of those industry types. Or again, you can scroll through all. Now you notice when you're hovering over these, there's 2 options. Number 1 is to preview and then to use template. So if you choose a template, or if you simply want to build from scratch, there's a build from scratch option. You can preview the template first. And if you find out that you like it, you can go ahead and click use template. I'm gonna create this template, apply interest tags. It's a pretty simple one that displays everything that you may need to know. So we'll just say apply interest and then create workflow. Now you'll notice that there's 2 elements to this one, but one of them is highlighted in red and has a little exclamation point. That means that you need to do something. Something needs to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and it's visited a page. So when someone visits a certain page on your website, let's say you're an e-commerce company and somebody visits your ladies wear shirts. Well, you want to apply an interest tag that they're interested in shirts for ladies. So then you will edit this and you'll type in the relevant URL. So if it's your site / ladies wear or ladies wear shirts, whatever it may be, I can just go ahead and put one in here, getgist.com/live chat software. So this would be if someone's interested in our live chat software, they went to that page, then I'll hit click done. And then you'll notice that the component has been updated and now it's no longer highlighted in red. So whenever someone visits the live chat software page, they will apply a tag. Now the tag that they'll get is a category interest. So obviously you don't want this generic tag, so what can you do? We can actually change the tags by going to settings, and then under data and tracking you see contact tags. You scroll down, there's a lot in here, but here is our tag. Click edit, and then you can just simply sub out this for whatever interest you want to tag them, or you can change the name entirely to best suit your interest. Hit save, and if we go back to our workflow, apply interest, you'll see that it hasn't changed yet. You'll just need to click on it, and it has changed in here. Just hit done, and there it is. Next thing you want to do is hit start workflow. So when someone actually visits the live chat page, they will be tagged with live chat interest. So that way we can better tailor the content to them. I'm going to go ahead and do another one to let you know something that is needs to be edited before you can actually use it. I'm going to use this re-engagement template. I'm going to create the workflow, and you'll notice that this one seems like it's good to go. There's nothing highlighted in red, but these emails, if you click on send an email, you'll notice that these are just drafts. So, these are drafts that I wrote to put in the templates, and the subject is it's been a while, like someone who hasn't been to your site in a while. But there's tons of things that you should edit on these before you actually turn it to live. First of all, you can edit the name. So this is re-engagement email 1. You can remove all of this if you'd like. You can change who is sending it and who they will reply to. You can type the subject line if you don't like that, or the header, and you can do as little or as much as you would like, but there are some minimal things. Like, you signed up for whatever the details of their subscription were. You signed up for my publisher website. You signed up to receive update, whatever it is. And it's been a while since you visited or even opened an email. Every day there's something new to help people just like you too, and then you put the core benefits of your product, of your services, of your blog in there. We put out some really valuable content over the last month, and you can take a look by visiting our blog here. You would want to add a link to that as well. Look forward to hearing from you, then input your email signature. P.S. Is there anything you'd like to ask me? Hit reply and let's start a conversation. So not only should you update the content of these, but you can also edit these to include personalization. So you signed up for a whatever subscription, and then you can just, and it's been a while since you visited or even opened an email, comma, and then personalize with first name. So you signed up for our blog, and it's been a while since you visited or even opened an email, Josh. Every day there's something new to help people just like you to insert the benefits. So these are the things that you can do to edit it. And when you're done, hit save, or you can preview it, or you can send as a test email, but you can save it. And now you'll go back in, and this email now has all the things that we edited into it. You're going to want to do this for every email in the template that you choose to make sure that it's tailored to your specific needs or the needs of your users. And then down at the bottom in this particular one, there is a goal. So if you send this email, and they actually visit the site, they click on that link that you're going to provide for them. And it could be the blog, it could be anything you want. And then if they visit the site at all, then they have met the goal of your re-engagement campaign. They're re-engaged. They came back. So that's just an example of how to edit elements that need to be edited before the workflow can go live, and how to edit the emails before they go live.